What would you do if you woke up this morning to an extra $900 in your checking account? What would you use it for? Would you use it for groceries? Would you use it for bills? Would you use it to pay your rent or your mortgage loan? Would you use it to save up for Christmas so you can buy Christmas with cash instead of your credit cards? What would you use it for? So I have been doing online digital marketing for about 3.5, 4 months now. I am amazed at this program that I have joined, the Legacy Builders program. It's got great community support, over 40,000 people in our community from all over the world, like-minded, who are just wanting to earn extra money so that they can spend more time with their family. You know, you go and you look for that second job or you look for that overtime, and that takes you away from your family. It doesn't keep you around your family. If you do your research, you can find an online program where you can do work from home around your family time, like this program does, in just a couple hours a day, and you could wake up with extra money in your account. You could have extra money in your account while you're at your kids' sporting events, or while you're at the grocery store, while you're at church, while you're sleeping, while you're in the shower. How nice would that be? How nice would that be to have a great plan B or even a plan C? You know, we take for granted that we're going to have our job tomorrow. I have a friend who just got laid off after 20 years, you guys, at the same company, only to find out that company is about to go under. So she won't have a job. She doesn't have a plan B. She doesn't have a plan C. So what about all those people in the U.S. who are affected by Hurricane Helene? They lost everything, their lives, their jobs, everything, you guys. They lost everything. What if they had a plan B, where at least they could earn money online and have some kind of income, even though they lost their job, their business, their place of work, their lives? They could have some sort of side income helping them through this, right? Why not have that backup plan? You know, a lot of us take things for granted. What would you do if that happened to you? What would you do if all of a sudden tomorrow or even today you go into work and you get laid off and then you have nothing to back that up? Think about it. That's a long decision. You know, we take things for granted in this world. We take our lives for granted. We take our welfare for granted. We take everything for granted because it's always there. It's always there. Well, what if it's not there the next day? So here's my solution. Online digital marketing, where you can buy into a program, a one-time investment into a program, not a monthly fee. It's not a very expensive investment, but you're investing in a business, not a get-rich scheme, a business that is yours. You are the CEO. You are your own boss. Now, I'm not telling you to go jump in on this and quit your full-time job. Absolutely not. This would be a side income. And there are people in this program that actually are able to quit their full-time jobs, and this is their full-time income. That is great. If that happens for you, God bless you and God bless the program, right? I'm not saying that. I'm saying look for a side income that you can do around your family. I do this program in about an hour to an hour and a half a day, and I get to enjoy the rest of the time with my dogs, with my husband, with my grandbabies. I get to go to family functions. I no longer have to say, no, I can't go to that because I have to work. You see, I've been in healthcare for over 10 years. I have busted my butt for the hospitals to make barely ends meet. You know, healthcare isn't like what it used to be. It doesn't pay you for the amount of work that you do. Like, we bust our butts for them, get very small percentage of raises, and we still have to work 48, 60 hours a week, and some people are still having to go get another job. Healthcare's not what everybody thinks it is. I got into healthcare thinking that was going to be my ticket out of debt. No, ma'am, it was not. It was not. So if you are ready for a change, if you are ready to find something that can give you some extra income, either to pay bills, to buy groceries, to buy Christmas for your kids instead of putting it on credit cards and going in even more debt, hit me up. Say change in the comments. Go to my bio. Click on my webpage, put your email in. I'll send you out the information. We've got free webinars on my YouTube page that you can go and watch, and you can see if this program would fit your goals. What's your goals? Are you going to be able to hit your goals by the end of the year? If you were to start now with this online business, you would be able to hit your goals within the next 30 days. You would be able to afford Christmas with cash, not credit cards. Like, if you are coachable, if you are able and willing to plug into all of our live trainings, if you are willing to put the time and the hard work into it, you can make this work for you. So join me. Join me on this adventure. Say yes for your future and for your family's future. I am ready to help you guys. I think God put me on this path for a reason, to help others, just like He put me in the path of healthcare to help others. When my daddy died from pneumonia, I didn't even know the field of respiratory care was there until my dad died of pneumonia. So I think this is the path I was meant to go on, to help people become financially free and get to spend more time and enjoy life with their families. Let's do this, you guys. Let's go.